foolish king and his one-legged horses. Good morning, Grandma.
Good morning, Chinu. Look, the sun is up, nice and bright. My little Maharaj has woken up so early.
But Grandma, today is Sunday, no school. So I can wake up late. Look, your little Maharani has also just woken up. Good morning, Grandma.
Good morning, my sleepyheads. Come here. What are you going to do today?
Grandma, can you tell us a story? You did not tell us a story last night also.
Okay, sit down. I will tell you the story of a king.
I also want to listen to the story. Raja, Futta, come. Grandma is telling a story.
Let me begin now. Once upon a time, a big kingdom called Dum Dum was ruled by a foolish king. The king did not know how to read or calculate, but he thought he knew everything. He was very proud. His clever minister helped him all the time. One morning, the king stepped out of his palace for a walk. He wanted to see his horses in the stable. His soldiers started walking behind him.
Oh, what a lovely smell!
Yes, Maharaj.
What a lovely weather!
Yes, Maharaj.
Lovely weather. It is so hot. Why did you say yes, Maharaj?
Listen, you are new. Just learn from me. You have to say yes, Maharaj, to whatever he says. Otherwise, he will get angry. Just keep walking and keep saying yes, Maharaj.
My beautiful horses, what strong legs they have. Let me count them. 40 legs? Oh my God, 40 legs. So, 40 horses. Soldiers, come here. Yesterday evening there were 10 horses. Today I have 40 horses. 30 new babies were born yesterday night. God, I can't believe this. Distribute sweets to everyone in the palace. I am very happy. Here, take this pearl necklace.
Oh my God! What has happened to him? Look at the horses' heads. I counted them. There are only 10 horses. He is so short that he cannot count the heads. How can we distribute sweets? Just tell him he is wrong.
Do you want your head cut? Just nod your head and say, yes, Maharaj. We will go call the clever minister. Yes, Maharaj. We will go just now. Honorable Minister, please come. Please help the king count.
Good morning, Maharaj. Oh, good morning, Minister. Look at this miracle. I had 10 horses last night and today they have become 40. 30 new babies were born just last night. Oh, very well, Maharaj. But how do you know? You are becoming foolish by the day, Minister. Just bend down and count their legs. Oh, 40 legs? But Maharaj, there is a bigger miracle. What's that? All your horses are one-legged now. One-legged? How can that be? I have the best horses. But Maharaj, if there are 40 legs and you say that there are 40 horses, then they all have to have only one leg. Should I ask the soldiers to distribute sweets because this is a bigger miracle? No one would have seen a one-legged horse. Stop, Minister. I think there could be some change in calculation. There must be a better way of doing maths. Why don't you calculate? Sure, Maharaj. There are 40 horse legs. Each horse has 4 legs. So, there are 10 horses in all. The same 10 horses that you saw last night. Oh, yes, I know this very well. I just thought that this was a new way of doing maths. Come, let's continue my walk.
Oh, Grandma, it was such a funny story. What a foolish king. Even I know how to do this. Look, there are 10 chick footprints here. Each chick has 2 legs. That means 5 chicks have gone this way.
Right, Buzz. What a funny king. Come, let's go to the garden and play. Even Sheila and Sahil will join us there. The weather is nice today.
Yes, Maharaj.
That's funny, Buzz. Look here. A lot of bullock carts have gone this way. I can see both the wheel mark and the footprints of the bullocks. Let me count them now. There are 32 footprints of bullocks. Meenu, I will tell you how many bullocks have gone this way. 32 footprints. Each bullock has 4 legs. So 8 bullocks have gone this way.
How did you do it so fast, Chinu?
It is easy, Buzz. I will tell you how. 32 footprints and each bullock has 4 legs. So we have to do 32 divided by 4, which is 8. To divide 32 by 4, I remembered the 4 multiplication tables. I thought of it in my mind quickly. 4 into 8 is 32. So 32 divided by 4 is 8. So 8 bullocks have gone this way. Now, I will tell you how many bullock carts have gone this way. Each bullock cart is pulled by 2 bullocks. There are 8 bullock footprints here. So, 4 bullock carts must have gone this way.
Look, Meenu. There are 8 wheel marks also. Each bullock cart has 2 wheels. So, 4 bullock carts have gone this way. We can check it this way. So, we are right.
That's right, Futta. Look, people have removed their chappals outside the temple. There are 16 chappals. Buzz, can you tell me how many have gone inside the temple?
I can't, Chinu. There are 16 chappals. Everyone wears 2 chappals.
You can say that everyone wears a pair of chappals.
Okay, so it is 16 divided by 2, which is, wait, I am thinking of multiplication tables of 2 in my mind. It is 8. 16 divided by 2 is 8. So 8 people are inside the temple.
That's right, Buzz. Oh, what happened, Buzz?
I saw a spider on that tree. I am very scared of spiders. They have lots of legs. They trap insects in their web.
It will not hurt you, Buzz. Now, tell me something. If there are 24 spider legs, how many spiders are there?
24 spider legs? I don't know how to do this.
I will tell you, Buzz. There are 24 spider legs. Each spider has 8 legs. So, we have to do 24 divided by 8, which is 3. So, there are 3 spiders.
I know how you did it, Futta. You did 8 multiplied by 3, which is 24. So, 24 divided by 8 is 3.
Oh, look, that's Rani. I will go and say hello to her and ask her how she is feeling.
Why? What happened, Meenu?
Rani has not been well. She did not come to school for 21 days. Hello, Rani. Are you feeling better? 21 days? That means she has been absent from school for 3 weeks.
3 weeks? How? Meenu said 21 days.
That's right, Buzz. Each week has 7 days. Rani was absent for 21 days. So we do 21 divided by 7, which is 3.
We can check it like this. 7 multiplied by 3 is equal to 7 multiplied by 3 is equal to 21. So 21 divided by 7 is equal to 3.
Buzz, you take a long time to say the tables.
But I can't remember them. They are big numbers. There is so much.
You don't have to remember them by heart, Buzz. I will tell you an easy way to do it. Suppose you have to do the 7 tables. You can do the 5 tables and 2 tables and add them both.
Oh, that's because 5 plus 2 is equal to 7, and 5 tables and 2 tables are very easy. How to do it, Meenu?
Look, if you have to do 7 into 5, first we will do 5 into 5, which is 25. Then you can do 2 into 5, which is 10. Now, just add 25 plus 10, which is 35. So, 7 into 5 is equal to 35.
Oh, that's so simple. We can even do 3 and 4 tables, as 3 plus 4 is equal to 7.
Let me do one for you. Suppose we have to do 7 into 6. First we will do 4 into 6, which is equal to 24. Then we will do 3 into 6, which is equal to 18. Now we will do 24 plus 18, which is 42. So 7 into 6 is 42.
Hey, this is fun. For 12 tables, we can do 2 times 6 tables. For 13 tables, we can do 10 and 3 tables, or even 5 and 8 tables.
10 and 3 tables are easier for 13. For 15, we can do 10 and 5 tables. Chinu, why are your pockets so fat? What is inside them?
Oh, I have brought lots of marbles to play. I have 32 marbles. If I divide them equally among the 3 of us, do you know how many will be left with me? I will tell you how to do this. Buzz, can you get me a small stick? I am going to write something new. First, I will write 32. Then, I will put lines like this. I will write 3 here.
But why, Meenu? Why do you put lines like these? What does this mean?
This is another method of doing division, Buzz. When we write it like this, it means 32 divided by 3. So let's do it now. First I will do 3 into 10 is equal to 30. So I will write 10 here and 30 here.
Stop. Why is it written like this?
Buzz, this is 3 into 10 is equal to 30. Now after we write 30 here, we have to subtract it from 32. So it is 32 minus 30, which is equal to 2. So 10 is on the top. That means each of us get 10 marbles. This 2 means I have 2 marbles remaining with me. So when we divide 32 marbles equally among 3 of us, we get 10 marbles each. And 2 marbles remain.
Oh, it's like that. Look, Sahil, Jeetu and Sheila are coming. Now you have to divide these 32 marbles among 6 of you. How will you do that?
It's simple. We do it just like this. First, we will write 32 here. Then, draw these lines. We will write 6 here. Now, we have to divide. 5 into 6 is equal to 30. So, I will write 5 on top. I will write 30 here. Then, 32 minus 30 is equal to 2. So, when we divide 32 marbles equally among 6 of us, each of us get 5 marbles and 2 marbles remain.
This is so much fun. Can I do one? There are 20 flowers. 3 bees have to share it equally. How many will each get and how many will remain? Let me do it. First, I will write 20. Then, I will draw those lines and write 3 here. Three multiplied by 6 is equal to 18. 3 multiplied by 7 is equal to 21. Meenu, what should I write?
Buzz, look, 3 into 6 is equal to 18. But 3 into 7 is equal to 21. 21 is more than 20. So you should do only 3 into 6 is equal to 18. So you have to write 6 here and 18 here. Now you have to do 20 minus 18, which is equal to 2. So when you share 20 flowers between 3 bees equally, each of you will get 6 flowers and 2 flowers will remain. So when you share 20 flowers between 3 bees equally, each of you will get 6 flowers and 2 flowers will remain.
Look at Golu Ram uncle. He looks sad. Let's find out what the matter is. Good morning, Golu uncle. Why are you sad?
Good morning, children. I am sad because I am not able to calculate. There is a wedding coming up in Nadim's house. He wants me to pack 3 laddus in a box, and he wants 31 such boxes. I have made 75 laddus now. I don't know whether I have to make more laddus or not.
Don't worry, uncle. We will help you. You have to pack 31 boxes with 3 laddus in each. So it is 31 into 3, which is 93. You need 93 laddus. You have made 75 laddus. So we have to do 93 minus 75, which is 18. You have to make 18 more laddus.
Meenu, I did it a little differently. Uncle needs 31 boxes of 3 laddus each. First I did 30 into 3, which is equal to 90. Then I did 1 into 3, which is equal to 3. I did 90 plus 3, which is equal to 93. Then I did 93 minus 75. Which is equal to 18. I also did it a little differently from both of you. I did 75 divided by 3 first. Let me write it on the ground for you with lines. Now 3 into 20 is equal to 60. So I will write 20 on top and 60 here. Now 75 minus 60 is equal to 15. I will have to divide 15 again by 3.
Why do you have to divide 15 again by 3, Futta?
That's because 15 laddus are left and they can be packed again in boxes of 3 each. So 3 into 5 is equal to 15. Let me put a plus on top next to 20 and write 5 here. I will then write 15 here. 15 minus 15 is equal to 0. So, there are no more laddus. Now, let's see the top. 20 plus 5 is equal to 25. So, 75 laddus can be packed in 25 boxes with 3 laddus in each box. Now, Nadeem uncle wants 31 boxes for the marriage.
Now I know how you will do this. Nadeem uncle wants 31 boxes for the marriage. Golu uncle had laddus for 25 boxes. So he needs 31 minus 25, which is equal to 6. 6 more boxes of laddus. If he has to put 3 laddus in each box, he has to make 3 into 6, which is 18. 18 more laddus. Golu uncle, you have to make 18 more laddus.
Thank you, children. You are all very smart. Now I know how important it is to go to school and study.
Oh, this is so funny. So many ways to get the same answer. I can't do anything now. I am hungry. I only want a laddu. Golu uncle, if you give me 1, you have to make 19 more.
Look, Sheila, Sahil, Gopi and Shama are coming. Let's go to the garden and play. Hello everybody. Come, let's go to the garden. Shall we play cricket? First, let's play the jumping game. Chinu, can you jump 3 steps at a time on this jumping hill? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. Look, Chinu has reached 24. Buzz, can you tell how many times he jumped to reach 24?
Oh, I did not count, Meenu.
Buzz, you don't have to count. You can do it like this. Chinu jumped 3 steps at a time. He is on 24 now. So, he has jumped 24 divided by 3 is equal to 8 times. Chinu jumped 8 times to reach 24. Tell me, if he jumped 6 steps at a time to reach 24, how many times did he jump?
I can tell you that now. It is 24 divided by 6, which is equal to 4. He jumped 4 times to reach 24.
6, 12, 18, 24.
Oh, this is fun.
Sheila, your turn now. Chinu, give her a number. Friends, you can also play this game with your friends. Don't you think maths is lots of fun? You can multiply, divide, add, subtract, and use different methods to get the same answer. Now, we will see if we can remember to calculate. Friends, Buzz needs help. Will you help him? But you have to answer loudly.
Meenu wants to make bangles for her friends with beads. She needs 8 beads for each bangle. She has 40 beads. For how many friends can she make bangles? 40 divided by 8 is equal to 5. She can make 5 bangles. So, she can make 1 bangle each for 5 friends. Ramu's family needs 40 kgs of rice for a month. How many kgs of rice does his family need for a week? First, we must remember that 1 month is equal to 4 weeks. So, 40 divided by 4 is equal to 10. Ramu's family needs 10 kgs of rice each week. There are 12 balls in the school, but 48 children have come to the playground to play. How many children will have to share 1 ball? 48 divided by 12 is equal to 4. So, 4 children have to share a ball. Aslam has 1,800 eggs. He can pack 300 eggs in a big box. How many such boxes will he need to pack all the 1,800 eggs? 1,800 divided by 300 is equal to 6. Aslam needs 6 boxes to pack the 1,800 eggs. Rajan harvested potatoes. He has 240 kgs of potatoes. If he sells each kg of potato for 5 rupees, how much money will he earn? 240 into 5 is equal to 1,200. Rajan will earn 1,200 rupees. Shall we divide now? 44 divided by 4 is equal to 11. 32 divided by 8 is equal to 4. 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. 63 divided by 7 is equal to 9. 42 divided by 6 is equal to 7. 40 divided by 8 is equal to 5. 100 divided by 10 is equal to 10. 39 divided by 3 is equal to 13. 81 divided by 9 is equal to 9. 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. Let's form questions. Will you give the answer loudly? There are 6 trays of eggs. There are 8 eggs in each tray. What will be the question? How many eggs are there in all? Now, let's do the answers. 6 into 8 is equal to 48. There are 48 eggs in all. There are 42 children in a class. They are sitting in 6 rows. There are equal number of students in each row. What will be your question? How many children are sitting in each row? Now, will you do the answer with me? 42 divided by 6 is equal to 7. There are 7 children in each row. John bought 12 notebooks. He paid 120 rupees in all for all the notebooks. What will be your question? What is the cost of each notebook? Now, let's do the answer. 120 divided by 12 is equal to 10. So, each notebook costs 10 rupees.